guys, Nia and Rebecca are not replacing Edward, Henry, and Toby. First of all, if Edward and Henry were really going to get replaced, then they'll never get seen ever again. But they actually make speaking roles in Big World Big Adventures and Season 22. And if they were really going to get replaced, then Nia will be number 2 and Rebecca number 3. But really, they actually have their real numbers. Nia is actually 18 and Rebecca is number 22. Why is everybody so raging about Big World Big Adventures? I mean, this is the last special with Thomas and Friends. I mean, it's not like they're going to get Thomas out of the series. But look, guys, what I'm trying to say is that Nia and Rebecca are not gay. Right? What I'm trying to say is Nia and Rebecca are not replacing Edward and Henry. First of all, here's the proof. Did you ever watch, Confusion and Delay in Thomas's flashback where the changes have been made? Henry now sleeps at Vickerstown Sheds with Rosie. And Nia sleeps with, and now Nia sleeps along with Rebecca. They sleep at Titmus Sheds with the Steam Team, while Edward sleeps with Philip. Are you guys that blind? Have you guys watched, let's see. Have you guys watched A Shed for Edward? Edward He moved out Titmus Sheds to sleep with Philip because where Philip sleeps, it's closer to Edward's branch line. And besides, there is only one more berth left. And Nia didn't even have a home to sleep anymore. So Thomas, along with the Fat Controller, decided to let Nia stay on Sodor. And Rebecca from England arrived and was introduced in Confusion without delay. Right. The yellow train right here. And because she didn't have anywhere to sleep, she decided to sleep with the rest of the Steam Team. And I hope you guys cannot complain anymore. And I'm making longer videos. And first of all, stop raging about Nia and Rebecca. I mean, we need more girl power. All we just have is just Molly, Emily, Mavis, Daisy, and whatever. So can you guys stop raging, please? And this is my proof how Edward and Henry are not going to get replaced along with Toby. Toby is still in the Steam Team. He is still in the Steam Team. I mean, it's not like all 3 of those are going to get scrapped. They will never. Audrey would never do such a thing like that. I know you guys are not even going to get it. So